Hey guys, welcome back to uGenesys, and in today's video we're just going to do a very quick results review just to show you guys that what we've been doing is working day in and day out. Now earlier today we entered well, I think this one was entered yesterday, so yeah, these were entered yesterday, a GBP CAD and a GBP Swiss. Well, actually two. I took two positions with GBP Swiss. So these were the ones that closed today, right? And as you can see, the total profit for today is well, let me go back here and show you guys. Total profit for today is $594. Now, people are always asking why are my stop loss is so big and my take profit so small, and the answer is very simple. If you are an intraday trader, one, you need to give your trades room to breathe, and two, you shouldn't be greedy, so your objective should be to make as much profit as quickly as possible and get out of the market. So that is why I typically only aim for about 15 to 30 pips. All right, so like I said guys, the link to our uGenesys indicator is in the description of this video. I'm going to show you again what it looks like, because these are some of the trades from a few days ago. So this is what it looks like. It has the overall trend of the market right here, and over here you have the currency strength meter to see which currency pairs are strongest and weak. And lastly, we have the execution area where we get our alerts, and we will know whether to buy or to sell. All right, guys, it's a very simple indicator and made specifically for Forex trading beginners. All right, so the link to this indicator is in the description, and it is available for both MT4 and MT5 terminals. All right, guys, I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Tomorrow is Friday, so I'm excited to see what the market will be giving us tomorrow, because we do still have some open trades that we are waiting to close. All right, so until then, take care.